Hey everyone, it's Naomi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to achieve this hairstyle. And you can wear it with either very harsh makeup or very natural makeup like I decided to do today. Today I was going more for a sweet, casual look. And it's very easy to do. We're going to be doing it with a flat iron. And it's very simple and it looks great. So if you want to learn how to do this hairstyle, just keep watching. Now I'm just starting with freshly washed hair, and today I decided to use my Beach Envy Volume Shampoo by Redken. As you can see, my hair is very straight and I feel like this shampoo just helps texturize the hair and prepare it to hold the look better. Then I used the heat protectant before using my blow dryer. I cannot stress how important it is to use a heat protectant. A heat protectant is always going to help seal in the moisture of your hair. It's going to help smooth the cuticle so we get that nice soft look, and it's also going to reduce the frizziness of our hair. So now that my hair is prepped and dry, I'm just going to brush it. Now because my hair is so thick, I like to work in sections. So I'm just going to use a normal hair tie. And for now, I'm just going to section just behind my ears, the lower part of my hair. As you can see, it's not that much. Now I've just sectioned my hair, and my rule is to usually curl outwards, away from the face. So today I'm going to be using my flat iron, and what I love about my flat iron is that it has an adjustable temperature. I usually use it at about 220. So what I'm going to do is just take a small section, brush it through, and then I'm going to curl outwards. I don't like to start at the root, so I start a little bit further down from the root, and then you see you get this very soft curl. So I'm just going to do another one. As you can see, they don't look the same, but that's fine because then you can always open them with your fingers. And this is going to be a very tousled look, a very flirty, a very soft look. Therefore, you don't want it to look too perfect. You don't want the curls to be too accentuated. So the softer it looks, the better. So again, away from the roots, and I'm curling outwards. There we go. So then I don't really wait till the end. I like to break them up as I go, and then at the end, if you see any bits look too straight or need a bit of a touch up, you can always come back. So I'm just going to continue doing this to the rest of my hair. Now when I'm to the top of my hair, I like to section off almost at the crown. And as you can see, I'm not being very careful when I part my hair, and some strands do kind of get mixed, but it's just going to help it blend better, at least in my experience. Also, when you are taking thicker strands, it's also better to move your wand a bit slower. As you can see there. I don't like to spend too much time on the ends neither, as we know the ends of our hair are quite dry, therefore you don't want to apply heat too long on them. As you can see, I have a lot of wispy hairs and a lot of short strands because I didn't used to look after my hair. So my hair started breaking. But now I make sure I use the right shampoo, the right conditioner, I use my heat protectant. And it's very important to give your hair a break, which means don't apply a hot iron, a curler, or a flat iron every time you wash your hair. So you can see my hair is quite long, so I'm doing a bit of contortionism. But I tend to find this hairstyle looks good if you have short hair, if you have long hair. It's just very versatile because it's so relaxed. So now for the top, again we want to try and find our part. Now my parting is going to be slightly off center. I feel it's just for my hair, it works best this way. So I try and let it see where it wants to go. Even though you can see I still have this bump. Why? So now for the top, I do tend to use thinner sections because I want the curl to be more accentuated, a bit more visible, because it's what lies on the top. Now, it will happen that the first few times you try this at home, if you've never done it before, some strands are just going to come out completely straight. It's happened to me, and all I can say is persevere. Practice makes perfect. Also because I don't spend too much time at the ends of my hair. They tend to be a bit straighter, and I feel that kind of helps that tousled beachy wave look I'm going for. So as you can see, when I get to the end, it's quite quick. Okay. So I just like to immediately run my fingers through it. So now you can always just judge and see where you want to go in a little bit more. So for me, I can see this side is quite straight, so I'm just going to go in on a few strands. So here we have the finished look. This is just my way of making beachy waves. If you do decide to try this look out, don't forget to send us a picture, drop us a comment. We always love seeing those. And if you haven't yet, press the subscribe button on the screen and hit the notifications button. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And thank you for watching. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.